If your Gmail inbox is packed with newsletters, promos, and emails you never read, this video is going to help you clean it up fast. Today I'm showing you how to manage subscriptions in Gmail easily, so you can unsubscribe from messages you do not want, remove unwanted promotional emails, and keep your inbox a lot more organized. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Gmail tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight into your Gmail account. Once Gmail loads, look at the search bar at the top of the screen. This search bar is going to be your best tool for finding subscription emails quickly. Now type the word unsubscribe into the search bar and press enter. Gmail will show you emails that likely contain unsubscribe options, which makes it much easier to locate newsletters and mailing lists you no longer want to receive. Scroll through the results and open any subscription email that looks familiar. When the email opens, look near the sender's name or at the top of the message. You should see an unsubscribe option next to the sender. Click that unsubscribe link. Gmail may ask you to confirm that you want to stop receiving messages from that sender, so go ahead and confirm the unsubscribe request. This is the fastest way to stop future emails from one subscription, especially if it is a newsletter or a mailing list you signed up for a long time ago. If you receive a lot of similar emails, repeat this step for any other subscription messages you want to remove. Next, let's clean up promotional emails that are already sitting in your inbox. Go back to the search bar and type category:"promotions, then press enter. This command filters Gmail so it shows you emails in the promotions tab or promotional category. These are usually marketing emails, sales messages, offers, and ads that can clutter your inbox quickly. Now, review the results and select the unwanted emails you want to remove. You can click the checkboxes next to each email or select several at once if you want to clear them in batches. Once you have selected the emails you do not want, click the delete button, which looks like the trash icon. This moves those emails into the trash, clearing them from your main inbox and helping you keep things organized. If you still see more promotional emails you want to remove, simply repeat the process. Search again, select the unwanted messages, and delete them until your inbox looks much cleaner. Now there is one final step that many people forget. After deleting those promotional messages, go to your trash folder in Gmail. Once you are in trash, look for the option to empty trash. Click it to permanently remove all of those deleted emails from your account. This keeps your trash folder from filling up and makes sure the clutter is fully cleared out. And that's it. You have now learned how to manage subscriptions in Gmail easily by unsubscribing from emails you no longer want and removing extra promotional messages in bulk. It is a great way to take back control of your inbox and make Gmail much easier to use every day. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips, email organization tricks, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.